the solution to this example. So let's just go through it step by step. So over here you can see it says make use of merge and center. So I'm just going to highlight all of those. So we could use the merge and center button over here. So when we click on it, immediately it merges and centers it. Keep in mind that if I go to format cells, I can achieve the same thing by clicking merge cells and making the horizontal alignment center. Here, if I click on this one, you can see this looks like some merge cells again, and it seems to be aligned vertically in the middle. So let's highlight those two. I'm going to right click, format cells. I'm going to say merge them, and vertically we want it in the center. Okay, that's close, but it looks like it's also center aligned horizontally. So I can use that. Next one, this one says projected monthly income over 2 cells. Highlight those, right click to merge cell. It looks like again it's in the middle, both horizontally and vertically. So center, center. Okay, that looks good. Let's go down here. If we look at these here, they all seem to be right aligned, whereas it looks like we need them left aligned. Highlight those. And there's a left aligned icon here. Okay, so that looks better. The actual costs, you can see here, it looks like it goes bottom to top. So we right click, format cells, under alignment. You'll see over here we can click and hold this and tell it to point upwards. When I say OK, it seems to have done it. That's great. Over here, the numbers, they seem to be at the top and on the left. Over here, they're on the bottom and on the right. So let's highlight them. Format cells. So we want it to be right aligned and at the bottom. When we say OK, you'll see it's now looks similar. Over here we've got total monthly income not quite fitting in. Let's just make it a bit bigger. And then actual monthly income, again looks like a merge cell. And I'm going to go and merge and center again, and that looks about right.